Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to report a Discord server. Maybe you've come across a server that violates Discord's guidelines or engages with inappropriate behavior, and you want to take an action. So today I'm going to show you how to report a Discord server. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. In this panel, select the server that you want to report. For example, I want to report this server. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the panel. A menu will pop up below, and here, scroll up, and after that, you can now see this report server option. Simply tap on it to report your selected server. Another window will appear, and here, select the reason on why you want to report the server. It is essential to provide accurate and specific information about the violations observed in the server. For example, I will select this promoting or encouraging spam. Here, review the report. Once you are done reviewing, tap on this Submit Report button. After that, you now have successfully reported a Discord server. You can also choose to leave the server if you are a member of it. Take note that reporting helps keep the Discord community safe and enjoyable for everyone. There you go. If you wanted to know how to report a Discord server, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to report a Discord server, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.